What's up, guys? Jeremy here with the Reselling to Riches roadmap. I want to give you kind of a behind the scenes look at what all is included in this community. I'm going to try not to be very self-promotional in this video. The truth is, I really did make some great money in very few hours per week in resale. But despite my now coaching people how to do that, my monetizing that, I don't want anyone to feel pressure that they have to pay for any type of coaching program. This is a community that is free to join, and you're welcome to join it. If you want to just get ideas from people, you want to be a part of it, you just want to lurk on the community tab, you are welcome to be here, and I'm happy to have you here. And let me share my screen so you can kind of see what are kind of these paid offerings within the group. So here we are on the About page. And what's free is basically this community tab. Anytime I post or anyone else posts or you post, you can comment, like, enjoy the community of resellers that we're building here. And then you can also DM other members, try to connect with people, etc. You're welcome to do that. On the classroom tab, this is where I'm teaching people, I'm coaching people. This Why Reselling course, it is free. If you just want to learn from a super high level, what makes reselling so great, I made a few videos that kind of describe some of the perks of the business. If you want to start reselling, I would recommend that you start right here in the Reselling to Riches roadmap. If you are relatively budget constrained, what that's going to give you, and I'll go ahead and click into it, is everything you need to know selling, sourcing, evaluating manifests, how to know what's good to buy, what's not good to buy, financing, messaging, selling online, getting seed funding, becoming a store, segmenting your listings, shipping on eBay, selling on Facebook, how to track your reselling money, what to do with online reviews. Should you go full time? Should you get into a store? Marketing, sales and use tax, insurance, consignment, pricing. It is here, okay, in the Reselling to Riches roadmap. Basically, it is a archive of all the coaching calls that I've done with people. So if you don't want to speak with me directly, you don't want my specific consultation, and you want to kind of DIY your path, your road to reselling riches, that's going to be the budget friendly option for you is just learn from me, but not real time. It's not direct access to me, but it is everything you need to know, 100%. Now, if you're saying, hey, I want not just all the steps to do reselling, I want your help. I want you to do it with me. If you want me to do it with you, then this is what you're going to want to join right here, the Reselling to Riches coaching. That is not new content so much as it is access to our coaching calls that are on the calendar tab. So when you buy into the coaching group, you have access, you have admission to the coaching calls where we can talk about anything and everything that you are processing through. I can give you specific advice to you and where you're at in the business. So if you want me to do it with you, that's going to be the best value. And I just want to say, for me, this would have been the best value. The coaching. I wish this was available for me when I was getting started. I can tell you super straightforwardly, my first year as a reseller, there are tens of thousands of dollars on inventory that I never would buy again, that I can tell you not to buy. I can save you those tens of thousands of dollars right off the jump. And there were tens of thousands of dollars of sales tax that I was paying above what I should have been paying because I didn't know some things that I know now. That's tens of thousands of more dollars that I could save you. There's also tens of thousands of dollars of rent that I was overpaying, and tens of thousands of dollars in marketing that I was overpaying, and tens of thousands of dollars of labor that I was overpaying all in my first year. So it is, I told you I'm not going to get promotional, and here I am being all promotional. But I would say confidently for me, if I had a coaching group like this, it would have saved me over $100,000 just in my first year in resale. Man, that kind of hurts to say that because I wish I had those $100,000 back. But that's going to be your safest bet. It's the priciest option, but it's also the safest option and the highest value option. It's the most bang for your buck. If you want to DIY, you don't need me as a coach. You feel confident in yourself. You think you're not going to make those $100,000 worth of mistakes, then hey, just go with the Reselling to Riches roadmap. That's going to be a little bit more budget friendly. And if you're not ready to commit to either, or if you're hyper DIY, Mr. or Mrs. or Miss Independent, I have kind of a vlog style course called Keys from My Early Days that you could really glean from most of the topics that I end up coaching on, that I go deeper in depth on, that I show you how to do within the Reselling to Riches roadmap. You could pick up on most all of those trends just from watching through my real time experience of learning significant things within my first 18 months in reselling. So there's also some bloopers in these videos that are just embarrassing to look back on, some moments I wish I could get back. So you can learn from my successes and really more importantly, learn from my failures because I made some huge mistakes starting off as a reseller. So I want you to avoid the pitfalls. I want you to be in the green from day one. I want you to make real money in resale, and I'm here to help you do it. Any way that I can help you do it, just let me know. You can always shoot me a DM if you have any more questions. So hopefully that gives you an idea of what's available here. And who knows, maybe there's a lot more to come. I'm thankful for you considering being a part of it. One other thing that I want to say is there are affiliate links for you for all of these programs. So any program that you jump into that you want to be a part of, you then have the ability to refer other people to those programs. And I'm going to give you 40% of the revenue. For anyone that you refer that jumps in, I'm giving you a 40% cut, and that is good for your lifetime. So if any of these ever become monthly subscriptions, again, you get paid every month forever into perpetuity as long as those people that you invited are still participating. So these are expenses you could consider, but they're also income streams that you could consider. And so I wanted to give you a behind the scenes look of what the Reselling to Riches roadmap is all about. Thanks again. Hope to see y'all here soon. Signing off. It's Jeremy.